Alright, I have everything set. We have power. This is running with the standard 6 volts, which I've been using. Completely new frame. And let's see what we have. We're at 50% power. 60, 65, 70, 80% power, 85, 60%. At the last minute, I decided to give it a boost, so I cranked all the power to one side, started losing control. So I put all the force to the other side, started losing control again. I'll just need to work on my handling, and then I cut the power down to 0. I think I've got a viable craft. Now, to get better at controlling it.